about gathering our team. Everybody, one. Gather all your peeps. Now let's go left, grab them again over here, get more, get some CAs. And then let's go to the right and get some students. Very good, class. Now let's go to watch the CalDM Network. Everybody put your goggles on and let's look all the way up. Oh, I see a great podcast with Dean Harrison. Now look to the left. Oh, I see one with Dr. McCoy. And now let's go right. And I see one with Sherry Tenpenny. Very good, class. Now, let's go to caljam.org. So we're going to do some squats while we're sitting here. Good posture. Up, caljam.org. 2 and 3. Oh, very good, class. Now we're going to get our shopping cart. Everybody push the shopping cart. Very good. And we're going to reach up and let's get a DC ticket. No, let's get lots of DC tickets. Okay, now let's go to the right. And we're going to get some CA tickets. And let's reach really high, get a bunch of students, and then we'll get the general public. All right, now we're going to make our way to John Wayne Airport Seagram Center for the Arts. Everybody do the airplane. Okay, now to the right. Yeah, everybody stay with me. All right, now go straight and flap your wings a little bit. Okay, good. Next, we're going to get our name badges. Reach up really high and get it. And you're going to take it and wrap it around you. And while you're doing a squat, and then put it in the front and look down to make sure it's spelled right. All right, good. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for our seat. Everybody look right. Nope. Left. Now let's look back. There they are. Now they're in the front row. Very good, team. Yay! All right, now I want you to enjoy the show. So everybody do a Daddy, 1, 2, 3. Now left hand for left hand. Oh, very good. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the after party and we're going to put on our best dance moves. Good, team. Okay, let's do the Q-tip, everyone. Q-tip, left, now right. And now let's do the chainsaw and carve everything with a tree. Very good. Next thing we want to do is jumping jacks. Okay, good, everybody. I feel my hair floppy. That's not all. Okay, all right, very good. All right, everybody read your calendar. It says it's going to be January 26th, 27th, and 28th. Everybody look at your calendar. Remember, caljam.org, shopping cart, spots, everything's good. caljam.org. Good job, everyone. You guys are awesome. Everybody jump up and down. Good job over here. Yes, everybody kick your feet up. All right, thank you, everybody.